Have you ever thought about why women are drawn to bad boys? It's confidence. In this video, we're getting straight to the point. I'll explain what it is about confident men that women find so appealing. It's not just about being brave. There's more behind it. Want to know what makes these men stand out? These teachings have been around for ages under Stoic philosophy. Let's jump in and discover why confidence is so important. 1. The charm of being confidently masculine. Women are often attracted to men who show masculine confidence. It's not only about being strong, it's understanding and valuing oneself. This confidence goes beyond fearlessness. It's about being sure of your skills and worth. Confidence plays a big role in all aspects of life, not just dating, but in careers and personal development too. A confident man is not just seen as a good date, he's viewed as a winner in different areas of life. This type of confidence isn't just about making a strong impression. It's about having a clear sense of self and your contributions. Simply put, confidence is more than just attractive. It's life-changing, making a man not only attractive, but also respected and successful in what he does. As Epictetus, a famous Stoic philosopher who was known on his teachings about ethics and personal development, said, "Confidence is silent and insecurity is loud." This shows the Stoic belief in the quiet strength of self-assurance and confidence, which aligns with the idea of masculine confidence being more about a deep understanding and valuing of oneself than mere outward display of strength. Being direct is a key part of confidence, especially in how men handle relationships. Women usually like a man who is open and honest about what he wants. This includes actively showing interest in her, being clear about his feelings and not playing any games or creating confusion. It's about being mature and secure, traits that naturally come with confidence. Confident men aren't shy around women. They're clear about their desires and aren't scared to follow them. This kind of determined approach is very appealing. It's not just about being brave, it's about being true, genuine, and able to speak your mind clearly. This straightforward way of acting is something worth aiming for. It's attractive, enticing, and it creates a situation where a woman feels secure and can fully be herself. It's important to remember that this isn't about just one person making an effort. Both partners need to contribute equally in a relationship. But in my experience and what I've noticed, a man's initial efforts, like planning and confidently organizing dates, are really appealing. When a man's actions match his words, it shows he's truly desirable. We suffer more often in imagination than in reality. This saying by Seneca, another huge figure in Stoicism, summarizes the Stoic philosophy of dealing with life and relationships in a straightforward manner. It highlights the importance of being clear and genuine in one's intentions and actions, rather than being disturbed by imaginary fears or doubts, which is in line with the idea of confidently expressing and following one's goals. 3. Goals fuel confidence. Confident men are standout because they have definitive goals. They know what they want and aren't afraid to go after it. This is true not only in love, but in all parts of life, like doing well at work, coming up with new ideas, solving problems, or being a good leader. Confidence is very important. Men who lead others show this kind of confidence. But it's not just about being successful. Having clear goals makes life more enjoyable and meaningful. This is true for hobbies, passions, education, and careers. Anything you see as your mission. Achieving your goals makes you a better partner, friend, family member, and person. It begins with being confident in what you're doing and knowing why it's important to you. Being true to yourself and your desires helps you become the best you can be. Being genuine leads to having a clear purpose, feeling fulfilled, and being confident. Women are attracted to this because a confident man isn't held back by doubts. He's focused on reaching his goals. This attitude improves all your relationships. The woman in your life will see this difference. It also makes you better at connecting with people more meaningfully. Being true to yourself and expressing who you are leads to great happiness and even more confidence. Another important person in the Stoic world, who was not just a Stoic, but also a great emperor Marcus Aurelius, said, "He who lives in harmony with himself lives in harmony with the universe." This highlights the Stoic view of the importance of self-understanding and chasing personal goals. It suggests that clear goals lead to confidence, fulfillment, and harmony. This concept aligns with the idea that men with a clear purpose and genuine approach are more confident in life and relationships. 4. Understanding body language. How you use your body language is really important for showing confidence, like when you meet someone new or are in a relationship. A man who's confident often knows how to use his body language effectively, and this is naturally attractive. This means looking people in the eye when talking, being open and welcoming rather than shutting people out by crossing arms or hiding hands in pockets. Small things like this can make you seem unsure or unfriendly. Being open and approachable is much better. This is where charm becomes important. Charismatic men, who are often confident, use their body language to create a romantic and close connection. Good use of body language leads to great results. It's really important in talking to someone, especially the first time you meet, because it can say more than words. Stay away from bad body language like staring at the floor or keeping your hands in your pockets. Looking someone in the eye and showing you're interested can really improve the connection between two people. Very little is needed to make a happy life. It is all within yourself, in your way of thinking. Marcus Aurelius. This speaks to the Stoic idea that our inner attitudes and behaviors, including nonverbal ones like body language, play an important role in how we present ourselves and connect with others. It highlights the concept that effective communication and connection largely depend on our own self-awareness and expression. So, that's it. 4 ways confident men attract women. If this video was useful, please like it and subscribe for more. I'd love to hear what you think in the comments. What confident moves do you make that woman like? Share your advice and let others learn from your experiences.